This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel. Now let's learn how to use the File Manager feature. Scroll down. Click the File Manager icon. This is the File Manager interface. You can use File Manager to upload files to your account, delete files, change file permissions, and several other functions. On the left is a collapsible list of folders in your account. While on the right is a list of all files and folders within the folder selected on the left. It is in the public HTML folder where your website files, HTML pages, GIF images, etc. must go. For demonstration purposes, let's upload a sample CGI script to the CGI bin folder in the account. Click the CGI bin folder icon. Then click the Upload icon here. Click the Browse button. Let's upload the test scriptl.cgi file. Click here to return to the main File Manager screen. Success! The file has now been uploaded to the CGI bin folder in this account. Now click on the new file test scriptl.cgi. There are several things you can do with files in File Manager. Click the Change Permissions icon. From here you can change the permissions of the file you're working with. Let's go ahead and change the permissions. Then click the Change Permissions button. The permissions of test-scriptl.cgi have been changed. Now let's move this file to a different location. Click Move File. Enter the location where you want the file moved to, then click Move Files. The test script has been successfully moved and is no longer in this folder. There it is. Click the Delete icon. The file we originally uploaded and then moved has been successfully deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. File Manager is a quick and easy way to access and manage your website files without having to use an FTP program.